Hello, folks, professionals, and students. Let's welcome back another important session on business partners. So, you're going to learn few things about business partners that should be 100% fully from me. Okay, let's see what's the topic today. Business partner multi-address determination in S4HANA, any version for that matters. So, I will tell you uh, what exactly it is. That before that, let me tell you the features of BP. So BP, it is role based. You already know by this time if you perfectly follow my YouTube channel. Okay. And second one is it is you can able to maintain multi-address. What exactly this multi-address maintenance? If you go for in your ECC XD01 or XD02 or XD03 or else VD01 or VD02, VD03, that is sales area data, X series is for your central data, and FD01, FD02, FD03 for your finance level customer master data. That means company code level maintenance. All these transactions won't be available in S4HANA. If it is available also, if you press according to the SAP note, it will divert to the transaction called BP. This is the brief about BP. You already knew about this one. In that, one of the feature is business partner multi-address determination. That means in ECC, you will be restricted for only one address for one partner. Okay. Here you can able to maintain the same partner, multiple addresses. How do we do that? We're going to learn in another few minutes. Okay. By the way, this is the place where you can able to maintain your address determination. Okay. You can able to see this. This is the place. This section SAP Business Partner is available in cross applications as we discussed it before also. So here, this is the place where address determination. Why we require address determination? We're going to see in another few minutes. Okay. Let's try to go to the SAP system. Okay. So I need not create any new BP. I can able to show this by using existing BP, like how we have shown yesterday related to what I would say identification. Okay. Certain times I also forget, don't worry. So it pass a few seconds to remember. Okay, no problem. So if you see this, these are the you can able to maintain a delivery address, supplier return address, and external address and billing address. All these are the different addresses you can able to maintain. For example, if you see this, let's go to the change mode of this BP, okay, business partner. So if I want, I can able to click on create. Okay, so I can able to maintain new address like that. I can able to maintain n number of addresses. That address, what is the address you created? It may be like your home address. It may be like your office address. It may be like the place where you visit the plant address, or else it may be your client address, or else it may be like your tax authority's address where you are going to visit and submit the papers and all those stuff. Like that, what is the importance of maintaining these addresses? So that if you maintain address here, it is very easy to call into your forms and reports wherever you would like to reutilize it again and again. So that is the basic advantage of address usage. Okay, so you can able to create it. Okay, so it's maybe ash 789. Okay. Okay, maybe this is the house number. Okay, I'm just creating house number 567, maybe. So have a pin code, maybe Hamburg. So I'm just creating one more address DE. So your header and branch addresses also, if you'd like to link, you can able to link it, and buyer's address might be different and seller's address might be different. Being a customer, you might have many branches across the globe or within the country, across many states, or else Maybe based on the region also you might have. Okay. So let's take this an example. For example, if you go for this, press enter, see how the address is got created. Okay. So if I would like to call here, I can able to call this one. If I save this, assume that this is the billing address. Okay. Okay. So if I want it here, so if I double click here, I can able to choose this address for this. So now address is available here. If you don't maintain any address, okay, it will be like this. If you maintain, address will looks like this. Let's save this. That's fine. You can able to define multiple addresses, and you are going to find the purpose. Whether it is home address, office address, like that, it is going to solve the purpose by using address usage. Let's try to check the configuration behind it. Okay. Okay. So this is the place where you are controlling your address determination. I'll show you. Before moving ahead, it's my humble request. If you really want to learn more things, either S4HANA or else ECC or else some corporate related things, so like, any tip for that matters, whatever I know, I'm going to deliver you here for you. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it. And I specifically request, currently I'm holding 6,966 students. And if you look at this is my ECC Prime course. If you already done the course, I would request these two courses, either idoc training and getting master to write functional specification. So like for pricing also, I have a couple of courses. This is the place where I'm just trying to add my business partner related, like three scenarios I have explained. If you really want to learn that, it is very, very important that without BP, you cannot even imagine customer master data or vendor master data in real time. Okay, scenarios you must have to learn if you would like to get implement. Either it may be enhancement, migration, or implementation projects. This is my complete S4HANA sales course. If you really want, you can give it a try. And this is for condition contract management. 3.5 hours exclusively explain the scenario. Okay. So if you are in job trials, if you would like to do this, better choose these two courses for your support, experience, and learning. Like around 20 plus courses available at my end. If you really want, you can give it right. Let's try to go to the configuration and let's play with the system for address determination. Let's go to SPRO, go to the reference IMG. So go to the cross applications and go a little below. This is the place where you can able to find business partner. Go to the business partners, go to the basic settings. Okay. This is the path all about. So let's try to check. This is the place where you can able to determine address. Define transaction. Okay. So like you can able to see this so BP address determination. So if you would like to call, what kind of address you would like to call? If you see some examples, like, this is for sending goods, this is for receiving bill and receiving hours, okay, send order, distribution, okay, like that, you can able to define n number of transactions. Why we have to define this transaction, I would like to reveal you. So basically this is the address what you are going to define. Okay, maybe you can take G cust uh, customer customer. Okay. So maybe like, in your business, I need to identify, being a company, I require customer head office address. Okay. Uh, Gcust. Okay. Branch office address. I'm just defining this, and maybe required Gcust. Okay. Uh, Tax, local tax, local customer tax authorities address. this is, let's check, this is the requirement you have, obviously. So these are the things you have defined as your transaction. So let me try to copy this. I might forget. Okay. I don't forget that much easily. Let's keep it this one. Okay. So now define address type. Okay. You define address type and you assign to the transaction. So what is basically the address? Okay. So maybe you can able to take the address is Gcast G head office. Okay. Head office address. So maybe ADRS. Yeah. AD. Okay. Head office. Head office address of cust. Okay. So multi-users means you can able to use it for different purpose, the same address. Okay. G branch office. Okay. Branch. Okay. Branch. So this is basically short name and this is full name. Okay. I'm going to show you all these things. Let's keep this as of now. G tax authorities office. Okay. Tax AU of. Okay. So let's take tax authority. So maybe local tax office of customer. Assume that we required. Okay, because he need to submit certain papers. He would like to do business with me. That is the purpose. Okay. So I'm just giving the requirement. It can be any requirement for that matters. Okay. Let's try to link all these things. Okay. So one is transaction. In transaction, we're linking with address. Why we're linking? I will explain to you. Just wait. Just hold for. So now see this, how address type is linked right here. So let's go to the transaction. Transaction can be for sending goods and sending your bill, or else. So here I created for branch. I might require certain things. Need to deliver the goods for branch, and I need to contact with head office related to my business. Okay. So I required certain things offline. So many things in business, right? I required customer head office and branch office. So probably you can say that like. Uh, so for my company, whoever the customers are there, I'm the vendor to them. Okay. Maybe I'm like, assume that I'll just giving an example. I am a Reserve Bank of India, big office. Okay. Big bank, right? Top bank. Under Reserve Bank of India. So I have a state bank, I have a ICICI bank, I have HDFC bank. All these are branches to me. Okay. So ICICI bank branch, it can be there in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, any city for that matters. Okay, small towns to big towns. And HDFC also you will have, and Union Bank also you will have. So all these head offices I require. Okay, being a reserve bank, assume that you're implementing a project for S4HANA. Okay, you should know the branch office and what I would say. So suppose you're saying I'm running a branch for you're telling to the Reserve Bank I'm running a branch, but actually your branch is not located. You're doing manipulation. How would I know that? I need to control, right? On top, being a Reserve Bank. I'm just telling an example. The similar way, so Reliance is there. Okay. Reliance has a head office. Okay. So Reliance would like to do business with some mutual fund partner. Reliance Finance recently launched, right? So like, he would like to either would like to do the business with head office directly or else a small branch also. It depends, right? So you have a case to case. Okay. Anyhow, let's see this example. You have taken the transaction as branch and take this one head office and you take the customer local authorities. I would like to know this one. For tax authorities, this is fine. This is my transaction. Now I would like to link my branch office with this, and head office with this, and this is for my tax authorities. Why I'm doing this link, you'll come to know. I'll tell you. Okay. All right here. So we have done the configuration. One is transaction type, another one is your basically address type. Okay. So now let's go to the BP. You can able to go to the existing BP or else new BP. So let me try to go to the Hyundai Germany. Okay. So if I try to create here, okay, basically I'm just I just wanted to show you here. So you can able to see this, my branch office, head office, local tax office. Okay. If I select this, if I click on create, okay, so I can able to choose the address. Probably I'm just taking for this customer. Okay. Maybe like this, create. Okay. So this is Hyderabad, maybe like let's put some address for test. 45 street. Okay. House number 45, maybe like 54. So this is like maybe I can take this. Okay. Bangalore and India. Okay. So you can able to take maybe I can take like this. Okay. This is one address. So let me try to do this. Okay, no problem. I'll type it. This is one address I have taken. Okay. So let's go to the top and you will see this is for India. I have already created. Assume that. Let's do one thing. Let's go inside. Let me keep this for your understanding. This one as my branch one. Okay. So that's fine. Let's go again. So I'll copy this. Maybe this is for HYD. Okay. Let me change the details like this little. Something like that. Okay. Okay. This is something like TN Tamil Nadu. So TC, I'm just taking. So two branches I have. Okay. So this is branch one. Within the Karnataka, I have different branches based on the city and state. I have taken two branches. Okay. So in the similar way, I can able to take one more for my head one. Okay. This is, I'm just filling this, some details. Don't worry about that. It can be anything. Okay. This is for my head office. Okay. So wherever the head office there LOTX, local tax also there. Some number I'm filling. Again, Hyderabad, this one. This is fine. I have these addresses. Like that, I can able to define n number of addresses. Okay. So let's, this is the warning. Don't worry about this one. Okay. Once you have this one, I would like to call for branch office. Either I need to double click on this, or else if I select, I can click on this also. Okay. Come here. So like this is basically, you can able to see this branch office address. I supposed to create it. Whatever it is created. Okay. Maybe I can able to choose like this. Okay. So you can able to give the validity of address. For example, your home address is there. Customer personal details we are taking. Okay, maybe like so what he's doing outside we don't know, right? Legally we need they have to submit legal address. For example, if you join a new company, also they're asking your personal address, right? So to send him, it might be like your laptop, or else they are having all doubts on you. Okay, what you are doing outside. So generally they don't check. Don't worry. Okay, so this is branch office. Okay, once you selected, again go inside. Okay, so which one I have selected? This is 4, right? Now I'm selecting one more. See, like that I can able to have within the branch, how many branches I have, all branch addresses, I can able to take it here. Okay, maybe I'll give some logic to ABAP. Okay, in real time, it depends on the need. If I require only, we can give. So this head office I'm showing you. So now go to the local authorities tax. I'm just telling an example. You can able to do n number of addresses like this. Okay. So let's save this. So assume that this customer is there with you. Some other time, like customer closed his one of his branch. Okay. So then come to the branch. So assume that this branch is closed. Let's simply delete it. That's it. Okay. So if you would like to change the validity, okay, for example, this branch validity, you would like to change it. You can able to change it. It might be like this branch is going to close soon by 2027. Then you can able to do that. Okay. So let me choose the date it is asking. Let's choose this one. Okay. So how you can able to it has a very, very big advantage in real time for business partners. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Not selling, I'm telling. Okay. Certain times it's fumble, don't worry. So you can able to see this. This is how the multi-address business address determination works in S4HANA. Okay. If you really wanted to learn perfectly S4HANA, as I requested that, better choose this course. Okay. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Thank you.